Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear sisters. Inshallah, we'll continue our course and we'll be having now lesson number 10. We already finished the math types, and at the beginning we took the math types which has no special reason. We call the first type of it the natural math, and we took its branches, the substitute math and the lesser connected math, and then we took the math types because of the presence of Hamza after the math letter. It was 4 types of math: the attached required math, the separate math, the greater connected math, and the exchange math. And then we took the math types because of the presence of a second letter after the math letter, and it was 3 types of math. The first one was the mad with the present sukun, and then mad al-lin, soft lengthening, and then the compulsory mad, which has 4 types: the heavy compulsory in a word, the light compulsory in a word, and the heavy compulsory in a letter, the light compulsory in a letter. Now we'll be taking a very important rule to control the presence of 2 types of mad on the same word. Maybe you'll be having 2 types of mad that can work on the same letter. So in this case, we don't know which one that we're gonna apply. For example, when we have the word ma'ab, 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 what do we have here? We have Hamza, and it's followed by the mad letter alif. So in this case, it can be applied as exchangement because we have the Hamza first and then the mad letter. So if it is to be exchangement, so it's gonna be 2 counts. But it can be also the same time. It can be also the type of mad we took because of the sukun, which is the mad with the presented sukun. If we stop on the word ma'ab, and that is because of the presence of a second letter, which is the ba after the mad letter. So what we're gonna do now, we have 2 types of mad on the same word, on the same letter. Here we have to study the rule which controls this. So we have to know that not all the types of mad are the same strength. Not all of them are of the same strength. Some types of mad are more strong than the other, and in this case the stronger will win. The stronger one will win and will control. I mean that if the mad with present sukun in this example, ma'ab, is stronger than the exchange mad, so we're gonna apply the mad with the presented sukun. So we need to know which one is stronger than the other. Now I'll be giving you the order from the strongest to the weakest. The strongest type of mad to the weakest type of mad. And you may ask, so why we call this strong? Why we call this kind of mad strong and this one is not? It depends on the importance of applying this mad, and the second thing, that the number of counts of this mad. So we can say that the strongest one, the compulsory mad, the compulsory mad is 6 counts, and this is the longest one. So the compulsory mad is the strongest. And we have also, that the tajweed was written as parts of poems. This is the way the scholars used to write the tajweed, to write it in like poems like that. So they wrote it like this: aqwa al-mududi means the strongest mad, lazimun, which is the compulsory mad, famattasal means the attached mad. aqwa al-mududi, the strongest mad, is the compulsory mad. Lazimun, famattasal means the attached mad. Fa'aridun, which is the mad with the present sukun. Fa'aridun comes after that, the mad with the present sukun. Fadhum fisalin, which means المد المنفصل, the separate mad. And the last فبدل, which is the exchange mad. So we can say like this: أقوى المدود لازم فما اتصل فعارض فذو انفصال فبدل. So the strongest one is the compulsory one, the compulsory mad. Number one is the strongest, the compulsory. Then come in the attached mad, because you cannot do it less than 4, as I told you. The attached mad. أقوى المدود لازم, the compulsory, and the attached mad. Number 3, the mad with the presented sukun, فعارض. Number 4, فذو انفصال, the separate allowed mad. And number 5, the exchange mad. So if you now back to the original example, we had the word ma'ab. We have 2 types of mad, the exchange mad and the mad with the present sukun. So which one is stronger? We said that the mad with the present sukun is stronger. So we can apply it as mad with the present sukun. It's going to be ma'ab, ma'ab. 4 counts. Okay. So do we have any example? Yeah, we have other examples for the presence also of separate mad. It can be done as separate mad, and also exchange mad. So we'll see.